Today's word is something everyone wants. Master Observation word of today, we have the word TÄTİL. TÄTİL. TÄTİL is vacation, holiday, or break. Let's see those in some phrases. On vacation, public holiday, school break. If you watched yesterday's word, public holiday might seem weird to you, but stay tuned. TƏTİLdə, on vacation. Rəsmi TƏTİL, public holiday. Because I yesterday told you public holiday is something else. Make sure to check yesterday's word if you want to know what it is. Rəsmi is official, public. Məktəb TƏTİLİ, school break. When you go on a school break, that's when you use it. TƏTİLİ means the break of the school, basically. All right? Let's see some sentences. Biz gələn həftə tətilə gedirik. We're going on vacation next week. Biz, we, gedirik, are going. Tətilə, on vacation. Gələn həftə, next week. Biz gələn həftə tətilə gedirik. All right? Another one. Bugün rəsmi tətildir. Today is public holiday. Remember for holiday yesterday, what did I use? That was BAYRAM. BAYRAM is holiday. But when you say bugün rəsmi tətildir, meaning it's your off day, break day, you use the same thing. It means the same thing technically. Rəsmi tətil because official off day. When do those happen? On public holidays. That's how they are related, right? That was my way of using them in Azerbaijani sentences. You don't have to. If you want to retain the word tətil in your mind, watch. My alarm refuses to work. Apparently it's on tətil too. All right? That was today's word. Come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterozerbaijani.com if you want to learn Azerbaijani serious way.